Hey guys, today we're going to be turning the aftermarket steel orange into aftermarket black. So we're using RIt Dye. Some people say use RIt Dye more synthetic. I'm going to try this. I've got my water temperature up. I'm going to throw some dye in here. Let it cook up a little bit. I'd say half should be good. And then we will throw this in. Let's see what it does. I've done two others. They work well. Pretty easy to do. I don't like my water to get boiling hot. You can, but my pan isn't deep enough, so you get a little bit of a splash here and there, so make sure you clean it up before you get yelled at by your wife. The Max Flow Air plastic that you get aftermarket for chainsaws, that plastic will not dye. I've tried it, and it's a special plastic, but that plastic will not dye whatsoever. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of this dye in here. See what we can get going on. And I'll stir it up and we'll come back here in a minute.